Okay, so now Mona is going to eat the whole pickle. Show us the pickle. It looks like this. Amazing. Really?
Yeah, but just coming slow.
No, but you are okay.
Yeah, I'm okay.
I want to try, but just a small bite.
It's not so. It's okay. Yeah, without the. You have to eat those.
Seeds inside.
Yes.
It's not bad.
No, it's nice. Good.
I don't want the seeds. Like this?
Yes. These are spicy, but just one.
It's spicy? Nothing.
Nothing? What?
Not spicy.
Don't think it's spicy.
And I don't like spicy. So it's
Me either, and I'm very sensitive.
Oh, now it's coming.
Yes, it comes slowly. It's not like the herb.
Look, take a. She's astonished. She looks astonished. Look. You know, it's not so spicy.
No, it is okay. It's okay.
Okay, now, Julia. Yes. It's not spicy. If I can eat it, you can eat it.
Okay, so that's it.